Hey, Travis Holden with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and just finishing up day 2 of this Food Forest install, and I'm just going to take you around to show you what we have accomplished so far. And tomorrow is going to finish up on all the sheet mulching, and then Thursday and Friday will be tree planting days. And then we will be finished up. We possibly could be finished on Thursday, possibly start planting tomorrow, depending on how much we get done here. But here we go. I'm going to flip you around and kind of talk you through it here. Here we got a couple of apple tree guilds here. And then the front is all mulched up. There's going to be a couple of fruit trees there. And we have a long syntropic row going down the property line. It's going to be fruit trees and nitrogen fixers all the way down. It's pretty straight. It's going to be straightened out once we plant all the trees, and it'll look pretty after we get done. And then here's going to be a couple of berry gardens: blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, honeyberries, I don't know, a bunch of berries. And then here we got another fruit tree guild here, and there's 7 of those around the property, and we're going to be finishing those tomorrow. And here we go. We're at the bottom here, and as you can see, back up the hill, and up this way, all the way up the hill is going to be berry bushes. So we got, it's gonna be like a berry wall, you could say. And there's gonna be a herb spiral next spring in this area. And then as we get up here, you can see how the grass is cut in a circle here. That's gonna be a fruit tree guild here, another fruit tree guild here, and we have another fruit tree guild over here. And we have a couple more fruit tree nitrogen fixer rows. They're gonna go, I'll come over here. They're gonna go right down the front, right down the sidewalk. Here is gonna be a row, 3 different rows of fruit trees, and this whole yard. And then up in the front of the house is going to be all herb garden up there. But that's what we got right here.